Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, Autism Eats Nutrition. Remember that our goal in this channel is to create healthy recipes that nourish the soul and body, creating healing and preventing disease. So today we're going to be making some waffles, banana and strawberry waffles. I'm going to put a list of the ingredients in the description box. I'm going to borrow a quote from Thomas Edison that says, "The doctor of the future will no longer treat the human frame with drugs, but rather cure and prevent diseases with nutrition." Remember also that you are what you eat. So let's jump into the recipe. I'm going to wash my fruits, my strawberry, already washed, cleaned, and put into the food processor or a blender, whatever you have. Just blend it up to a puree. And we're going to head over to the dry ingredients. In a bowl, I'm going to be adding my dry ingredients. I'm going to be using quinoa flour and amaranth flour. I'm also going to be using chia seed, flax seed, some salt and some baking powder. And we want to mix that all together until they are all well combined. And then I'm going to be adding my wet ingredients. I'm going to be adding eggs. I'm going to be adding coconut milk and then olive oil, and I'm going to mix up very well with my whisk. Mix up very well until all the lumps are clear and we have a smooth batter. If your lump is still thick, you can add more liquid. I added a little bit more of coconut milk to be able to mix it to the consistency that I want or that is desired. It's going to be a little bit runny, not all the way. And when we're done with that, you head over to the skillet. If you want to make it as a pancake, you can use the skillet, use your frying pan, whatever you have. Just grease it up a little bit and pour your batter until both sides are brown. But I'm going to be using a waffle maker today. I'll heat up my waffle maker until it's hot, and I'll pour my batter in there and allow it to cook for about a minute or two, or until it's brown, or until your desired texture or consistency as you want it. So that's it for today. That's our recipe for today. You can serve this with your organic maple syrup, sugar free. You can serve it with your date syrup, whatever you like. You can top up some fruit, add some fruit, some strawberries, some bananas, any kind of fruit you want to add to your pancakes, you want to add to your waffles. And that is our recipe for today. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more recipes. Let me know in the comment section if you try this out. Bye. See you next time.